there are so many different APIs in Salesforce, like the traditional REST API, SOAP API. We also have this a bit new, like a streaming APIs. So do you have experience of using these, like how to pick, what are the concerns when we do the integrations?
Yeah, so there's a few different categories of application that you'll probably build, and how you pick an API depends on what kind of application you're building. And so if you have sort of a transactional system where you have maybe a view and you need to insert through like a data entry pattern one record at a time, or you're updating individual records, REST or SOAP work very well for that. So if you're not doing sort of individual records, or you're not doing individual transactions, then you need to think about the other APIs. Because if you're dealing with larger data volumes, you have bulk and you have the streaming API. So bulk is really, that is your ideal option for ETL, or extract, transform, load operations. Because if you need to do tens of thousands of records and load those in, then bulk is optimized for that purpose. You can do a huge number of records within a given transaction. When we're talking about streams, we're talking about more of the publisher subscriber model, and building listeners that receive those messages. And so streaming, what some may not realize at first glance, is that streaming is actually ideal in some cases for very large data volumes. Because why wait to do an ETL transaction when you could just always be receiving the latest information in a stream?